Good afternoon, everyone. A lot of buzz around MCP, Model Context Protocol, the new protocol for the generative AI applications where LLMs talk to each other. Here, I am going to talk about a very easy way to start using it. That is more important. Many videos are there on the internet, tutorials that help you get started. They are a little complicated for beginners, but I want to break it down here how all of you can set it up in less than 5 minutes, this model context protocol, and get started quickly to see the power of how it works. Theory, it is good, it is just like a new protocol that has been set up, but as a user, as a developer, how you can use it in a very proactive manner. So we all know that this concept of model context protocol is brought to you by Anthropic, right? So this is my new chat. Now if you can see, I have some MCP tools that are added here. If you can see, these are the MCP tools that are added here, and this is the connection. So I have installed this MCP server called file system server that I showed you. First step is how to install this particular Claude is you need to go to the website called Claude Desktop. This is a very simple thing that you need to do. So download Claude Desktop. So this is the first step that you need to do. Once this is done, then you need to ensure that you have your Node.js installed. So let me just close it and open it from the scratch. So then you need to do for Node.js version, so Node.js. So let me just connect my keyboard so that I'm able to type in a manner that all of you can see quickly. So Node.js version, Node version, I think it's Node version. So if you see Node version 22.14, so this is running up and running. So this is installed. So and the recommendation is, if you are using for multiple accounts, run as administrator. So once you run as administrator, if you have installed MCP server and you're not able to suit this and this, it means that there is some problem in your tool. So right now all these things are there connected to my thing. So what you need to do is, initially when you do, you have to go to file, you need to go to setting, and you need to go to developer, and then you need to edit the configuration file. So for me this file is there. So where is this file going to be? You can just click. So right now what I have done, I have added my document folder to and connected it to the chat. So now if you want to see this, you can open this in any notebook editable file. I'm using it in VS Code. So this is an npx, right? An npx is a node package execute file. So how these servers are created, and you can add on more and more servers from the documentation where you will be able to connect your LLM, like here Claude, with these type of file systems, like with this type of tools. So if you can see, I am connecting it with server file system, and I am setting up this path, this particular folder that is there, which will contain some files which we can read and understand. So this is the npx file. This is in a this is in a JSON format that we are sending this configuration file to our system. So to make sure, one more thing is, as I was telling you, path variable, you need to make sure that sometimes what happens that your path variable will not have this particular thing, right? So when you go to your path variable and you edit it, so I have manually added this Claude here. See, user app data roaming Claude, so to make sure that this configuration is getting picked up by your application. So this is, once this is done, all these things are done. Now if this is connected, then I can see what is there in my document directory. Who is there? Okay, I will just say who is there or what is there. So let us see. See, now it is so now it is going to ask that, it is going to allow you to do it, allow tool from file system local. So I will just do allow for this chat. So for this whole chat window, I am going to connecting my cloud desktop to my folder, local folder that is there, right? So many use cases can be done with this particular thing. You just think you can connect your company system to this particular tool, and then you can ask specific questions. So it has given me everything here. It has given me these are the PowerPoints, these are the PDF document, these are the Word document, these are the Excel files, and these are some window folder, right? If I want, can you summarize these files? Can you summarize these files? So this is a very powerful way of you to play around with this.